Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add Grammarly to Google Docs. Imagine being able to write with confidence, knowing that your grammar, spelling, and even style are being checked in real time. Whether you're crafting an important email or working on a school project, Grammarly can be a game changer. Adding it to Google Docs can make your writing process smoother and more efficient. Today, I am going to guide you through each step of integrating Grammarly into Google Docs, ensuring that you can harness the full potential of this powerful tool. To get started, the very first thing you need to do is open your web browser. This could be Chrome or another browser that supports extensions. In the search bar, type in Grammarly extension and hit enter. You should see a list of results, but you'll want to select the official Grammarly extension. It's quite popular, with over 47 million users having already downloaded it. That number speaks volumes about its usefulness and reliability. Once you have the right page open, you'll notice a button that says Add to Chrome. Click on it. When you do, a prompt will appear, asking you to confirm by clicking Add Extension. This is a standard procedure for adding any extension to your browser, and it ensures that you really want to proceed with the installation. After clicking, the extension will begin downloading to your browser. Now, while it's downloading, here's a useful tip. Once the download is complete, it's a good idea to pin the Grammarly extension to your browser's toolbar. This makes it easily accessible whenever you need it. To do this, click on the puzzle piece icon near the top right of your browser. You'll see a list of extensions. Find Grammarly and click on the pin icon next to it. And just like that, it's pinned for quick access. With Grammarly now installed and pinned, let's move on to using it in Google Docs. Open up Google Docs, and if you have a document ready, go ahead and open that as well. If you don't see the Grammarly icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, try refreshing the page. Refreshing ensures that all changes are applied and the extension is activated. Here's an important point. If you haven't already signed in to Grammarly, you'll be prompted to do so. This step is crucial because you need to be logged in to access Grammarly's features in Google Docs. Click on the Sign In button and a new tab will open. You can either create a new account or use an existing one. For many, the easiest option is to log in using your Gmail account. Simply click in Continue with Google and follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, return to your Google Docs document. You should now see the Grammarly icon active. Click on it and you'll be greeted with a message saying, "Got it," or something similar. And you're ready to start using Grammarly to enhance your writing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can now enjoy the benefits of Grammarly right within Google Docs. It's like having a personal editor who is always ready to help you make your writing shine. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to add Grammarly to Google Docs. If you want more videos like how to add Grammarly to Google Docs, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.